Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 online video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about how you can insert a picture from your computer and from online. So let's get started. First, I will create a new slide. So I will go to this insert menu and select this new slide option, and I will select this picture with caption. So click on to this add slide button to add a new slide. So now new slide is added to my presentation. So I am giving it a title, online education, no need to go now to classrooms. I am correcting this spelling mistake and increasing its font size to 24. So now title and subtitle or description is added to slide. Now I want to add a picture to this slide. Now as I have already selected this new slide with picture layout, I can add it very easily using this picture icon. So click on to this picture icon. We will also explore some more options to insert a picture into your slide later on. But let me click on to this icon and insert a picture. So it will open up your open dialog box and select a picture which you want to insert in your slide. So I am selecting this online versus traditional education. And as you can see here, it will uploaded to this presentation and done. It's inserted in our slide. You can also resize this picture using these points. Let's see one more option to insert picture into your slide. So I am creating this new slide copy and I am removing this picture layout. I'm writing online education, computer is classroom, increasing its font size and now let's insert picture into our slide. Here you can find images section. From here you can insert picture from your computer or from online. So let me add first from my computer and select the picture which we have inserted previously. So it is being uploaded and now it is uploaded. So I can adjust size of my picture. So as you can see, now picture is inserted. Now let's delete this picture and let's insert picture from online. So click on to these online pictures and here are some pictures provided by Microsoft. So you can go to every category like education, birthdays, love, people, food, and you can even search on Bing search engine like online education. And here it is. Various pictures are available on internet that you can insert in your presentation right away from here. So find a good picture. You can also filter with size. So these look pretty good. So I am selecting it and click on to this insert button over here. So it will now insert this picture to your presentation. So picture is inserted into your presentation. So I am making its size to little bit large. Now once you insert a picture, there will be some styling and formatting related options. This one is for cropping your image. You can crop your image and you can also set some styles like frame and some other styles. So this cropping option is now on. So I don't want to crop my image. Let's go to formatting option and apply one of this style. So I am applying this style. So select that style and it will be applied to your picture in seconds. So as you can see, now I have drop shadow around my picture. If you want to reset picture, then you can click on to this and it will come into its default format. Or if you want to change picture, then you can click on to this change picture icon. If there is a multiple picture available in your slide, for example one picture is this and let me insert another picture. So new picture is added. So I am putting this picture over or existing picture. Now if you want to bring this picture forward, then you can click on to this bring forward button. So let me click on to this bring forward. Now this picture is on the top of this picture. So same way you can send it backward. So now this picture is on the top of this picture. So these are some picture format related option and picture related options, how you can insert picture from your PC or online. So this is all about inserting picture in your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you very much.